Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the computer aided drafting laboratory experimental number 11. Create the 2D sectional view of the piston. Now we are going to the AutoCAD software. This is a given part diagram of the piston. These are the part details of the piston. This is the final assemble and the cross sectional view of the piston. So we have to draw the piston like this. So first we have to measure the distance. Its horizontal distance is its diameter. Major outer diameter is 93. So inner circle diameter is 85. So we have to draw the 93 mm horizontal line. After that we have to draw its vertical distance. Okay. We have to draw the line. Okay. In this case we have to change the uh, layer. I want to change the layer. Okay, here the outer diameter is 93. Outer diameter is 93. Here see 93. Okay, 93. So in this case we have to draw the horizontal line. Its horizontal line is 93. 93. Its vertical distance we have to measure. It's 7 plus 34 plus 22, 63. Its vertical distance is approximately 63. Next we have to draw its horizontal distance. It's 93. 93. Its downward distance 63. Almost we complete the diagram. Just move the diagram um near uh, the given diagram. Okay. So in this case we draw the one of the rectangle. After we have to draw the center line. Okay, in this case we have to draw the center line. So we have to change the layer. I want to change the layer. So for to draw the center line purpose we have to select the center line like this. Then we have to draw the center line like this. Okay, now we have to change the properties of the line. Select the two lines and go on to change the center line properties. Okay, in this case we have to take a offset. We have to take the offset from the base to from the base to we have to draw the given distance. Here see the distance. uh, the center point circle is there. So first we have to draw the center line circle. So the circle distance is here this is a 12 mm. 12 plus 9. Okay, 12 plus 9. So we have to take a offset this point to this point 9 mm. So just select the line and take the offset. From offset distance is 9 mm. Above the line 9 mm. From next this point to this point distance is 12. So we have to select this line and take offset to 12 mm. 12. Okay, now we complete the diagram. So we have this is a center line. So we have to change the properties. So select this line and match the properties. Select this line. Next we have to extend the center line. Select this point and extend this line like this. Same way we have to extend in leftward direction. Just now we have to draw the diagram. Circle, inner circle piston. Okay, circle inner circle. So its diameter is 22. The inner circle diameter is 11 mm. So we have to draw the circle diameter. So go to circle and click the center point. Fix the center point. So diameter is first inner circle diameter. So D, enter 11. 11. Next and draw the another circle of diameter. Click the distance D, enter. It's a distance value 22. Now we finish. After we have to draw its outer diagram. Its distance is radius 15 mm. From the center to center 15 mm. So we have to draw the line. We have to draw the circle. Okay, in this case we have to change the properties. So match these properties for the circle, these two circle. Okay, we have to change the properties. Change the layers. Okay, just yes. Next we have to draw the circle, the radius 50. So in this case the diameter is 30. So diameter, enter the value 30. Okay, Now we draw the all the inner circle diagram. So in this case, the half of the outer circle is hidden. Okay, half of the outer circle is hidden line. So we have to trim trim this half circle. Okay, trim this half circle, and finally we have to delete. And select at delete. Here we have to draw a arc. Okay, in this case we have to start, center, and radius. Okay, start, end, radius. Here we have to start point, end point. Its radius is 15. Okay, 15. Enter. 15 radius. Okay, 15 radius. Now we have to select this line and change the properties, dashed line. Okay, now we select and change the properties dashed line. Next we have to draw the another lines. Okay, now we finish this distances. Okay, now we have to measure the dimension. Okay, in this case we have to draw the layer, measure the linear. This is 9 no, no. Okay, 9 it's horizontal distance is this point to this point, 9 it's okay. Next we have to measure the linear. The center to this distance is 21 okay. From the center to this point, just delete, and we have to measure the distance from this point to this point, 12. Okay, this point to this point, 12, it's okay. Next, if we have to draw the 15 length from the circle line to the end. Okay, so we have to draw a line. Okay, we have to, in this case we have to draw a horizontal line. Okay, horizontal line from okay, draw a horizontal line from this point to this point. Okay, next we have to match the properties. Match the properties to this line. We have to change the layer. In this case we have to take offset 15 above and 15 below. Take offset 15 in above, 15 in below. Okay, now we finish. Next, from the center to this distance 18 we have to draw, take offset in the, okay, in this case select the line and take offset distance 18 above and draw a line. Next, 18 next we have to draw a line from this point to 15 okay, from this point, okay, 18 we completed. From this point to take offset 15 we have to draw a line. Next, in this case we have to select this line to take offset 22 okay, already the 22 line is there. Okay, 22 line. Okay, that's all. Next we want to take 3 line. We want to draw the 3 line. So in this case we have to take offset by using offset command. Okay, in this case we draw a line. Okay, we have to draw a line in one third of the line. Okay, we have to draw a horizontal vertical line from this point to this point. Okay, okay, draw a vertical line. Next, finally we have to erase it. Next, in this case okay, just measure the distance. Okay, then only we have the clear idea. This is 12, this 12 to this point distance is, what is the distance? 15. No, it's we need 18, so this is not the dimension. So we select this point and this point, 18, it's right. Okay. Next, from the 18, we have to draw the dimension from this point to this point. It's 15. It's right. Match properties. Okay, that's all. Similarly, we have to measure the distance in left side, right hand side. In this case, we have to measure the distance from this point to this point, 15. Same way, we have to measure the distance from this point to this point, also 15. Everything in okay, correct condition, match the properties, change. Okay. Next, we have to draw the distance 34 mm distance. In this case, we have to draw a line from this point to and this point 34. Okay, just we have to mark the point correctly. We have to measure this point to this point 34 mm. We want to draw. Okay, its distance is 34 mm. It's no problem. Next, from this point to below this point, measure the distance 7 mm. This point to this point 6. Just draw a distance from this point to this point. This is 21 mm totally. It's 21 mm. Okay, 15 mm. Okay, in this case, just take the offset, no problem. Okay, this is 15. Okay, in this case, just to measure the distance. This point to this point distance 15. Okay. Similarly, this point to this point, no, this point, center point to this point 15. Okay, it's 30. Okay, it's correct. Next, this distance we have to measure. Okay, we have to measure this distance from the center to this distance 15. Next, this is 9 mm line. This point to this point 7 mm. Okay, we have to measure this point and this point. This is 9. Okay, just no problem. Just take offset. Take the offset 7 mm distance. Just to draw a line. Now we have to measure the linear this point and this point. This 7 mm. So everything in a correct way. No problem. Okay, next we want to take a cutout. That's all. In this case, we need a 3 mm gap line. Okay, we want to draw a line in a 3 mm gap. So in this case, we have to select this line, and in this case, we have to trim the line also. Okay, so we have to trim the line. Trim this line we want to delete. Now we have to draw a new line from this point to this point. We have to take offset. Select the line, take offset 3 mm, 3 mm in below. Similarly, we have to draw a 3 mm line. Okay. Same way, we have to draw a offset in above the reference line. Okay, above the reference line. Now we want to remove the unwanted line. So in this case, we want to take a offset in leftward. In this line, we have to select. So select this line. Select this line. Take offset. I think 4 mm. 3 mm we have to take offset. It's a small size, so we have to take a 4 mm. Then only it's so high heavily. Just we take offset. In this case we want to remove the unwanted lines. Okay, this is 22 mm from the point to point 22 mm. So just we remove the unwanted lines, just a trim command, go on to take trim command. In this case we want to remove this line and this line, this line, this line. Okay, 1 2 3 4, these lines are there. Next, we want to remove the line here, 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 here. We want to remove the line. Okay, okay. Similarly, we have to take mirror in another side. Okay, in this case, just select the line, select the lines, this line, this line, this line, this line. We want to select and take mirror in left side 4 mm. We want to take a line and take offset 4 mm. Okay, 4 mm. We have to draw a line. mm, just draw a line, uh, draw a line like this. So in this case, just we want to delete this line. Finally we have to draw a line. Okay, select this line, this line, this line, this line, and okay, this all are the line. We have to draw a fillet. We want to take a mirror. Okay, in this case we want to select this point to this point. Okay, in this case we want to draw a line. We want to draw a line. Okay, take a line, draw a line from this point to this point. Similarly, we want to draw a line like this. Okay, now we want to trim the unwanted lines. We want to trim unwanted lines. We want to trim the unwanted line. Okay, almost we complete the diagram. So we want to remove this line. Okay, okay, finally we have to draw a top of the piston. In this case we use arc command, arc radius, start, center, end. Okay, start, start point, center point, end point. Okay, in this case just we select the arc and just simply click and take a position. That's all. Okay, now if we finish everything, almost we complete the diagram, complete the given diagram. Okay, next we want to draw a center line. Okay, in this case we want to take a center line from 10 mm left side, 5 mm left side, and 5 mm right side. So we have to draw a line and draw this line from this point, from this point to this point. Okay, just enter, select the line and take offset 5 mm left side and 5 mm right side. Okay, that's all. Now 5 mm left side and 5 mm right side, that's all. Okay, everything is finished. In this case we have to select this line and center line manner, dashed line, no problem, changed. Next we want to draw a inclined line. Okay, we have to draw a inclined line. So this line is from the center of the circle, from this point we have to draw, just draw a line. They click this point. From this point we have to draw a angle. In this case we have to change the value 45 degree. Okay. From this point we measure auto command, we have to off 45 mean 135 degree angle. 135-degree angle we have to draw, and I click the line. So here we want to draw a line, the 18 mm line we have to extend. Okay, we want to trim the excess line, so we have to trim. Here we want to trim. That's all. uh, I think everything we complete. So in this case, this line also we have to extend. Okay, we have to extend this line. Gently we have to extend. Uh, extend the incline line. Okay, now we trim the excess line. Okay, we trim the excess line. Okay, almost completed the diagram. These lines, um, we have to remove and trim the given diagram. Okay, in this case we have to take a fillet. Okay, in this case we have to take fillet. So that purpose we have to draw a offset. From this point we have to take an offset. Just we draw the horizontal line from this 15 mm distance till the 15 mm. We have to draw a line. From this point we take offset 4 mm. Take offset 4 mm and above right side. Similar line we have to draw, extend. Okay, after that we have to draw a line in less than 4 mm. So take offset and select the line, and 3 mm. Okay, here you want to take offset 3 mm. 3 mm. So here we want to trim the excess line. Trim this line, we don't need. The 3 mm is till this point only. Okay, here we want to take a line in 4 mm offset. Take 4 offset distance 4 mm. Okay, this is another line. Okay, trim command we have to use, trim the excess line. Okay, okay, that's all, everything we finished. In this case we have to draw a line, join the line. So click this point and click this point. Next draw a line, and we have to draw this line already in incline shape, no problem. Just to take uh, the line. Okay, in this case we have to draw a line command. At the base of the line we have to draw. Next we want to take a fillet. Okay, in this case we want to take fillet. So this is unwanted. Trim the excess line. Trim this line, and trim these lines. Okay, now we want to take fillet. Okay, in this case we have to draw a line command. Okay, for our take offset, this is a 3 mm distance. 3 mm distance. So in this case we want to take mirror trim command. So trim the given details, given area. So uh, we want to take fillet. So we want to take a hatching. That purpose we delete all the lines. Okay, here the center of the line we don't need, so this line select and delete. Now we finish all the diagram, all the details. Now this center line also we don't need, just select it. Here this center line also we don't need, just select it, select and delete. Just select the line, select that line. Okay, we have to delete it. Okay, we remove everything. Next we want to take fillet. In this case we take fillet. Here we select the point and give the radius distance, uh, 5 mm. We select this point and this point we take. Now we apply the hatching. Okay, now we have to apply the hatching. So select the hatching, this portion and this portion and this portion. Okay, here we want to trim this area. Okay, so trim, we want to trim this portion. Okay, trim this portion and then this portion also select and delete. uh, Trim command and take and trim. Now we select the hatching. Here hatching area. Okay, all the hatching portion are selected. Hatching portions we selected. Next we want to increase the scale value. Okay, here we increase the scale value 25. Increase all the scale values. Select all the scale values in 25. Okay, now we finish the hatching. Also we completed. uh, okay, this is a final sectional and uh, cross sectional assembly view of the given piston diagram. Okay, this is a final assembly and sectional view of piston diagram. Okay, next class we will discuss the next diagram. Okay, thank you to all.